studio today with a fantastic Range Rover Autobiography. This is as well a bit of a custom job. 24-inch wheels on this car and this section on the front, plus the custom front bumper as well. So we'll take a look at that a bit later on. But lots of issues in the paintwork on this particular car. So what we'll do now is we'll get the camera out and just have a pan round, and I'll show you the mishmash of swirl marks and holograms that I've got to remove from this vehicle. Right, so we'll just take a look at the paintwork on the Range Rover here. Absolutely horrendous condition, and even on the plastic trims here. And as we move the light along, you can see swirl marks and holograms going on in the paintwork. Now, especially like with our studio here, we can change the lights round, and then doing this we can see what's going on here. So very important, once you're looking to have your car detailed, have it done in a proper studio like we have here. I mean, look at the lights here at the back now, absolutely horrendous. Same again round here, this section, moving round all over this car. Same when we're taking a look at the bonnet here, I see all the swirl marks and scratches there in the paintwork. So at least a two-stage machine polish to put this car right. So what we're going to do is start on this panel to make sure we've got the right compound, the right pad, the right speed of the machine to alleviate these defects in a methodical way. So then we're cutting it back, getting the more clarity in the paintwork, but not overdoing the machine polishing. See now the depth of reflections here in the paintwork. So we're going to explain a couple of things now before we put any coating on the vehicle whatsoever. If you imagine now all them hours that's gone in, getting rid of them defects within the paint. So then we're looking at the pure paint now. The lacquer on this has been machine polished and the gloss level is the highest. Sealing with zirconite ZQ9 ceramic coating here. This is going to protect the paintwork for years to come, and it's very easy washing your vehicle afterwards. Now if you'd like any further information on this or any of our car detailing services, don't hesitate, give me a call. And what I'll do now, I'm going to crack on and coat this car, and then we'll take a look at the finished results later. The Range Rover Autobiography is now finished and complete here at Top Car Detailing. Lots of work needed to turn this car around, so we'll just go in that, take a look. Also did as well, polished all the plastic pillars up, all this roof section here, these side pillars too, and they're all ceramic coated as well. Very important to make sure every area of the car is covered. Treated all the glass too, so that's got a water repellency on it now. so that'll just be like anything and make it very easy to wash afterwards. 24-inch wheels on this particular vehicle, and what we did, ceramic coated them so they're fully protected too. Noticed earlier on in the video how we had lots of scratches there too in the rear tail light. Machine polished them up and sorted that out too, so got rid of all them as well. We had used quite a lot of pads as well, doing the correction work on the Range Rover Autobiography. Well, thanks once again for watching one of our videos on our YouTube channel, and as always, it's always about perfection here, turning cars into mirrors. Anyway, if you like, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. Anyhow, I'm going to have to go now, and I'll be back soon with more nice cars. Catch you later.